since we're talking about cars, should we do the Drakes?
Yeah, why not? Let's unbox some Drakes.
Yes. So Drake is a manufacturer, Australian manufacturer actually, of diecast trucks. Really popular diecast trucks.
They do a very good job.
And they do a really good job. Yes.
That's probably part of the reason that they're so popular too.
We haven't seen them in a live shop for a very long time because normally they come in and disappear really fast. But this time we're lucky that we have a few left, so we can do a quick unboxing review. So BJ is carefully opening them. These are highly collectible, so the box needs to stay as neat as possible.
Yes, so we need to be very careful when we open these particular ones.
So it's a technique here.
Oh, I might need to get the tool here.
Okay.
I will be back.
So we've got a couple of different ones. So meanwhile, we get a ruler to lift that one up. I'll start working on this one. So we have two different liveries of the K200 here today.
Okay, I've got our ruler.
So the trick is put the ruler under. There we go. Look at that. It's not working.
Oh, let's try the other side. Yeah, the idea is you just got to push it forward so it's not locked in anymore. There we go. So once we're at one corner, we should be able to get the other. All right, just got to slice this open, I think.
I have to say the boxes are really nice for a start. Nice finishing on the boxes.
So you got your certificate of authenticity, which I've just dropped there. There we go. Thank you. And they're all numbered. So this particular one's number 32 of 500. Let's do this down here. I haven't seen any of these, so I don't know what they're like.
So we haven't seen it saying any of those for a long time because normally when we receive them, they disappear.
All right, so they're very well sealed. And this guarantees that
they won't move.
Yep.
Yeah.
And they're in good condition when you get them.
Okay, so what color is this going to be?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm surprised.
Didn't pay attention.
Didn't pay attention to the box. Actually, there wasn't a picture in the box on this one. This one looks like it's going to be red.
All right, so this one.
I think you may have it upside down.
You think so?
Surprise.
Hope not.
I think so. Is it?
No,
No.
there we go.
Well done. Okay. So.
All right, let's just pick it up out of here.
Here we go.
All right. Gentle, gentle.
All right, so let's jump on the top camera so you can have a bit more detail on this one, actually. So they've been doing this K200 for quite some time, and they keep coming up with new liveries, from what I understand.
Yes.
One thing I really like of those is the level of detail. As you can see from the back, at the back here, you've got all the connections, all the piping, all the plumbing, and it's real.
Yeah, it's actually wound up, isn't it?
Wound up, yeah, absolutely.
So the idea is you can get optional trailers for these.
Yeah.
So the trailers will fit into the hitch here, and then you can connect all of these lines onto your trailer.
Wow.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the exhaust with a nice photo edging kind of heat protection.
Yeah, that's right. So you've got all the ventilation there. A bit hard to see, I think, because it's such a small scale.
Super fine, yeah.
Yep. Is the cab folding forward?
Yes, the cab is folding forward, and
you would see the engine detail. It's got a little bit of protector in there.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's take that out.
So this engine detail there, again, all the exhaust, and I think this must be the turbo. Is it? Or would that be that black? Not sure. I could be. Don't know. No, I'm not familiar with this.
Don't know.
But as you see, got again all the plumbing in there, or electrical as well could be.
Yeah. So all of the trucks have this sort of level of detail.
Yeah.
It's quite amazing. I mean, you've got all this really fine tread plate as well.
Yes.
All across the sides here too. And you got the photo etched on the side. You can see the Kenworth, which is photo etched on the side.
That's
super
right.
fine.
The steps are also photo edged. Moving at the front. Actually, let me see. I think it's almost coming off here. We need to be very careful.
Yeah,
because there is
in the front.
There is lots of detail all around. I don't know if you can probably see on this side here.
Yep.
It's all these small
Or the rails.
rails.
Yep. You've got
on
the air
doors.
horns across the top.
Yep.
Got the emergency lights. And then the grill itself is actually mesh.
Yes.
So you can see through there.
There we go. And then let's look underneath actually, because even here, got your two rear axle here. You can see a big differential gearbox, double wheel, double tire actually on each side.
So it is quite amazing. I mean, you've got a small scale to start with, and then they've actually gone through all the intricacies of making the framework really fine as well.
Absolutely.
Usually something like this would be really chunky for strength.
That's right. So, but they're actually quite strong in my opinion. They don't feel fragile in any way. I mean, you need to be careful when you pick them up to not, nick anything off. But they still feel quite solid after all.
Yeah. So very nice, isn't it?
Absolutely.